Alright, here I got the iRobot Roomba 560 model. It is used, but it's in great shape and works great. And the battery here lasts about 52 minutes on mixed carpet and hardwood floors. So if you had hardwood floors only, most likely it'll probably last an hour or so. So anyways, I'll show you quickly what I got here. So I got a brand new filter. Alright. 2 virtual wall lighthouses. A docking station. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. And the power charger, power adapter. And the Roomba itself. So like I said, it's a used model, it's not brand new. So it has shows a little bit of wear. A little bit of scuffs here and there, so. But otherwise it looks great. Alright. The side brush right here is in excellent shape. The front wheel is also in great shape here. There's a model number there. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected here, so you get nice clean Roomba. Well, here's the dustbin and vacuum bin. Nice and clean. There's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So the brushes are nice, excellent condition here. They're nice and clean. And the gearbox inside this clean head module has been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life out of this clean head module. I'll try for you guys to see that it works. And I'll do a straight run so you guys see the bumper sensors work fine. So everything has been checked and to make sure everything works perfectly. So anyways, happy bidding. Thanks for watching.